Right now, you're looking at a climate sentiment score of minus 0.09, with a momentum of plus 0.39. What's surprising here is that this momentum is a significant uptick compared to the historical baseline, indicating a surge in activity even as sentiment remains negative. This divergence suggests a critical moment in the climate discourse. People are talking, but their feelings are not optimistic. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, extracting sentiment, momentum, and 17 semantic clusters that provide context around the sentiment you're tracking. Imagine integrating this into your app to monitor and respond to shifts in public sentiment about climate change. You could tailor your content strategy or adjust your communications in real time based on the data you receive. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.